Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can install a Shopify theme through a zip file. So why the zip file is required? Because when you purchase the theme, other than the official Shopify theme store, like this is the official theme store. If you want to purchase any theme, it is automatically added to the themes page. Okay, so this is the themes page. For example, if I want to purchase this focal theme, which is very famous, you just have to click on like try theme. Once you click on try theme, it will automatically be added to the themes page. But if you purchase the theme from the external websites like the theme forest, once you purchase a theme, you receive a zip file and you have to upload that zip file in order to publish that theme. Okay, so I have just downloaded a zip file and I will explain you how you can publish that theme. So once you click on online store and then themes, this page will be appeared in front of you. I'm currently in that page, and when you have to click on add theme, and then there are three options: visit theme store, connect from GitHub. You can also upload the theme from the GitHub. Also, and obviously the first method that I have told, this is the most common method. For this tutorial, we are talking about the zip file method. You have to click on upload zip file and then add file, which will be saved in your laptop or computer. Just double click it and then click on upload file. It will take a few seconds, or in some cases a few minutes, not more than that. You can also refresh the screen once the theme is installed. So it is taking a few seconds. I'm not pausing the video just to show you how much time it is taking. So the theme I had downloaded before was also a dawn theme, but I just changed the name just for this tutorial. So as you can see, the zip file is uploaded, and then I can publish it also as a live theme, or do the editing it, edit the code and customize it like the normal theme. So this is how you can upload the zip file to publish that theme or to work on that theme. Thank you very much.